OnePlus 12, a flagship phone just launched today. New fast refresh rate, 2K OLED display, flagship processor, flagship camera setup, superb in design, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the OnePlus 12. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So this is the OnePlus 12's red colored box. The box prominently displays 12 in a large letter on the top. Removing the plastic wrap from the box, you will notice OnePlus mentioned on the side along with 12. On the cardboard box, never settle is written. The protective case provided is made of high quality silicone material with a textured interior. Additionally, there is a SIM ejector tool with a smiley face, OnePlus stickers and a 100-watt Superbook power adapter with a Type A out. You also get a red color Type C to Type A cable. Looking at the design and the build of the phone, at the first glance, it might appear quite similar to the previous generation. However, upon closer inspection, you will notice subtle yet distinct changes. The first noticeable change is the flash, now placed in the different position, located in the upper left corner. This time, the design elements of the camera module gives off a reflective and luxurious watch-like feel. The surface of the lens resembles a crown glass, lending it an appealing look. There are also textured elements on the side of the module, reminiscent of those found on the luxury watch. The company has dubbed this design time design. When viewed from the side, the camera module reveals a slightly raised ring around the lens, serving as a protective measure. Additionally, the main module features a slightly raised border for added protection. The use of the glass in the camera module makes it appear bulkier and larger compared to its predecessor. This new design aspect of the OnePlus phone stands out notably. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section about how you find this new design of the OnePlus 12. Shifting focus on the display of the OnePlus 12, it boasts a 6.82-inch OLED display with 2K plus resolution, marking it as the best screen ever manufactured by the OnePlus and BOE. This 2K display has received A+ rating attributed to the integration of the X1 luminescent material, enhancing its overall quality. The peak brightness level reaches an impressive 4500 nits, marking it as the highest brightness level achieved in the mobile phone display to the date. In the sunlight mode, during the brightness test, it reaches up to 1657 nits, offering a global brightness of 1600 nits. This means excellent visibility even in the direct sunlight. The screen covers 100% of the sRGB color space and provides up to 98.5% coverage of the DCI P3 gamut. Additionally, OnePlus 12 integrates a new technology for the protection. The display boasts a PWM dimming frequency of 2160 Hz along with the hardware level blue light filter and adaptive environment technologies. This comprehensive approaches ensure eye protection across multiple dimensions, even reaching medical grade standards. When it comes to the OnePlus 12's camera, it features a Hasselblad optimization. Speaking of the camera hardware, it incorporates a 50 megapixel Sony LYT808 CMOS based sensor. It comes with the primary camera featuring an f1.6 aperture and 1x1.4 inch sensor size. Additionally, there is a secondary 64 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 1x2 inch sensor size, supporting 3x optical zoom and up to 120x digital zoom. The third camera is a 48 megapixel ultrawide camera capable of capturing 3.5 cm micro shots too. These specifications focus on the hardware focal lengths, but this time the camera also benefits from the optimization and advanced algorithm. The photo results showcasing remarkably accurate color reproduction and excel in the both well lit and low light environment. Shifting focus to the performance, the phone is equipped with the recently launched flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It also features LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The highest configuration offers a whopping 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. You can check the Antutu score, which suppresses 2.1 million points in terms of gaming performance on the OnePlus 12. Playing King of Glory at the highest setting delivers an average frame rate of up to 120.2 fps. Notably, there is a significant improvement in the temperature control and power consumption. The front temperature reaches around 35.2 degrees and while the back reaches 34 degrees. Additionally, power consumption stays limited to 3.4 watt when playing high graphic game like Genshin Impact at 30-minute session in the Semaru city at the highest setting yield an average frame rate of 59 fps. The gameplay experience is notably smooth with the power consumption reaches up to 5 watt. During gaming session, the front temperature peaks at 41.8 degree while the back reaches 41 degree. The OnePlus 12 houses a substantial 5400 mAh battery capacity. It supports a blazing fast 100 watt super fast charging along with the 50 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. Charging the battery from 0 to 100% takes just 26 minutes, which is an impressive feat. When it comes to the price of the OnePlus 12, the base variant starts at approximately 4,299 Chinese yuan in China, roughly around 481 pound in UK and 606 US dollars. In conclusion, the phone offers an outstanding display, flagship level camera and promising performance. It's confirmed to launch in UK next month and it will be interesting to see the actual price at launch. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any question, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.